Hello there, I'm Jeanette Lane, and today I'm here to share the latest issue of Creative Stamping, which is issue 56. And as you know, every issue comes with a stamp set, A4 size stamp set that's jam-packed with some great designs, some beautiful sentiments, and this time is no exception. You are gonna love this sporty themed stamp set, and it also features 9 stamps from Joanna Sheen, who we know and love. And on top of your stamp set, you also get a free ink pad from iZink. So if you've been wanting to try out these Aladdin iZink ink pads, well, there is one included with your issue. So we're really excited about that. I've tried these stamp pads in my crafting before, and I want to say that they're really pigmented. They're really juicy as well, for lack of a better word. So I really think that you're going to enjoy them. So let's take a closer look at this stamp set. Like I mentioned earlier, it's A4 sized, and on top there are 9 stamps from Joanna Sheen. Now there's a special reader offer where you can get £5 off of a die set that coordinates with the stamps, and that's at craftstash.co.uk, and inside the magazine there's more details on how to get those £5 off of the coordinating die set. So that's just a little extra for you. Really exciting. There are over 100 stamping ideas for you to try, and what I love about the magazine is that there are step-by-step instructions and projects, off the page projects for you to try with your free gift that's included. And let me just show you some of these projects up close because I have them with me, and I just wanted to show how stunning and how intricate and how detailed they are. So here are just a few examples of projects that are inside of the magazine, and you can find step-by-step instructions as well. And our design team did a fantastic job. There are over 100 stamping ideas for you to try, but I think my favorite thing about the magazine are all the projects and ideas and instructions for how to use the free gift that's included. And I love that because sometimes you do need that guidance, you need those steps, and it's all provided here in the magazine. And there are not only, this is a very masculine themed kind of stamp set, but there are some great ideas for kinetic cards for teens, also female cards. So let's just get a closer look at everything. Jade and Roy created some Wimbledon-inspired cards, and they are gorgeous. I really love the shaker elements. Like I mentioned, I do love a good shaker card, and I really love the color palette and also the step-by-step instructions, and there are some top tips that she shares with us. So really helpful, really inspiring, and educational as well. There's also a jelly plate masterclass by Christine Smith. So she shares some tips and tricks for you to try jelly plates in case you've never done that before. I know it sounds a little bit intimidating, but she really provides some clear instructions and also some great inspiration and projects for you to try. There's also some expert advice with Joanna Sheen. So there's an exclusive in here with Joanna, and she shares how she used the stamps on top, but also the coordinating dies that I mentioned earlier, which are a reader offer, special reader offer, and you can get £5 off of those at craftstash.co.uk. But I love just the little tips that she shares, some great nuggets of wisdom for you to try out. So really excited about that feature. And also there's a chance to win over 500 pounds of prizes in the magazine, and there's details all on that. So make sure you're subscribed and don't miss out on it. There's also a close-up look at some new products from Crafter's Companion. So some new releases for you to check out, as well as inspiration and projects by Pamela Stewart. Beautiful, absolutely gorgeous cards that she's made, and so many techniques that she shared as well. This magazine is jam-packed full of great ideas and projects and inspiration and techniques for you to try. And I'm really excited about this Stretch Your Stamps feature because sometimes, you do need some extra inspiration for how to stretch your stamps because you do end up using kind of the same techniques over and over again, but you're gonna get some fresh inspiration with this article. So don't miss out. And if you want to grab your own copy of Creative Stamping, there's a few places where you can get that. So it's available at moremags.com, craftstash.co.uk, at major grocery stores and also some local craft retailers. I'm Jeanette Lane. Thank you so much for joining me, and hopefully you can grab that issue of creative stamping, because you're not going to want to miss out on the ink pad, the free ink pad, and also the fantastic A4 sized sporty themed stamp set. I'll see you all really soon. Have a wonderful day.